In this video, we'll talk about the different hardware modules of ETOS. Each ETOS is customized for your requirements. We manufacture it here in Regensburg, made in Germany. Now, to fulfill these requirements, we equip ETOS with the specific hardware modules your solution requires. Now let's take a look at these hardware modules. Come with me. First up is our CPU module. This is the heart of ETOS basically. It holds all the software and the data of the system. It also offers us all different interfaces for the connection of customer SCADA systems or our visualization. We offer two versions of the CPU 1 and CPU 2. It just depends on the complexity of your system. The next three modules in the line are the UI modules. We have the UI 1 and UI 3 for the standard application for measurement of voltage and current. We also offer the UI 5, which is required for monitoring of the torque and the bushing monitoring. The next components are our DIO, the digital input-output modules. In my hands, this is the 4220, the excessive unit with 42 digital input contacts on these terminals and 20 outputs on the other terminals. The more compact one is the 2815. Next up are the two AIO cards that are available. 4 or 2 channel cards are available here. We can connect any typical temperature sensor like PT100, PT1000 to the ETOS, and also 4 to 20 milliamp signals can be inputted or outputted as it's required. The ViCard is especially necessary for the vibroacoustic monitoring feature of ETOS. It allows us to connect up to 3 vibroacoustic sensors to monitor the noises of the tap changer. Just another interesting card is the SW33, which is a redundancy network switch. So it allows us to integrate the ETOS in a redundant network system at the customer. Last but not least, this is a so-called backplane. It is basically a mounting plate to install all the different modules of ETOS, and it's available in different sizes to match your requirement. Now you've seen all the modules we use to craft your ETOS. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next videos, we want to explain to you more about the visualization. Also, we want to talk about the integration into customer SCADA systems, and finally also all the different function packages of ETOS.